never end, creating bonds with a friend. Loops and knots we intertwine, crimson, gold, and perfect line. Underneath the summer skies, crafting dreams before our eyes. Paracord bracelets on our wrist, every color in a twist. Handmade treasures, pure delight, memories in every sight. Sitting under shady trees, chords of love like gentle breeze. Friends and folk we gather near, sharing stories we hold dear. Twine them tight and weave them close, rainbows bursting from our posts. Patterns dancing wild and free, bound together you and me.
Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is a Trilobite. I'm going to do a little bit more detail, step by step. The colors we're using is green and yellow. They're both 36 inches long or 91.44 centimeters. Melt together. We're using a 4-strand cord, which consists of 2 strands, have 14 inches or 35.56 centimeters, both melded together, connected, form a cord. It's an easy setup, going right through the side, both cow hitches. Starting from the left side, go under 1, over 2 and 3, under 4, out to the side. Take from the right side, goes down in between 3 and 4, comes up in between 1 and 2. Yellow green goes under 1, over 2 and 3, under number 4. From the right side, goes down in between 3 and 4. At an angle, comes up in between 1 and 2. And that's the whole sequence, the whole weave. We'll do it again. Up in between 1 and 2, over 2 and 3, under 4. From the right side, down in between 3 and 4, under 2 and 3, up in between 1 and 2. And again, up in between 1 and 2, over 2 and 3, under 4, the right side, down in between 3 and 4, under 2 and 3, up in between 1 and 2. Now we continue.
Memories in every sight. Paracord bracelets on our wrists, every color in a twist. Handmade treasures, pure delight. Memories in every sight. Paracord bracelets on our wrists, every color in a twist. Handmade treasures, pure delight. Memories in every sight. creating bonds with a friend. Loops and knots we intertwine, crimson gold the perfect line. Underneath the summer skies, crafting dreams before our eyes. Paracord bracelets on our wrist, every color in a twist. Handmade treasures, pure delight, memories in every sight. Sitting under shady trees, cords of love like gentle breeze. Friends and folk we gather near, sharing stories we hold dear. Twine them tight and weave them close, rainbows bursting from our posts. Patterns dancing wild and free, bound together you and me. Paracord bracelets on our wrist, every color in a twist. Handmade treasures, pure delight, memories in every sight. Paracord bracelets on our wrists, every color in a twist. Handmade treasures, pure delight, memories in every sight. Sitting under shady trees, cords of love like gentle breeze. Handmade treasures, pure delight, memories in every sight. Paracord bracelets on our wrist, every color in
Thank
a
you for
twist.
watching. Please like,
Handmade
subscribe, share,
treasures,
ring that
pure
bell.
delight,
See you on the next one.
memories in every sight.